The DJI Mini 3 Pro is an impressive update in the Mini line. For that matter, the Mini 3 Pro is an impressive update in the Mavic line, and one of the most drastic airframe changes we've seen to date. Overall, the Mini 3 Pro employs the same design and flight philosophy. You still get a compact, folding drone with a nose-mounted camera, but for the first time in the Mavic line you can unfold the propeller arms in any order you choose. DJI Mini 3 Pro Camera. If you are like us, we fly drones for the joy of putting a camera into the sky. The Mini 3 Pro offers a 1/1.3-inch camera sensor that shoots 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, and the 48MP sensor that shoots great images pixel-binned to 12MP. Something DJI has rarely done before, the camera on the Mini 3 Pro is able to rotate 90 degrees sideways, so you can shoot portrait-oriented images. True to form for DJI's growth, the camera is able to capture HDR video. This limits video to 4K at 30 frames per second. The f/1.7 aperture allows more light, improving your low light experience even without HDR. Those features also enable 1080p slow motion capture. Another exciting tidbit, DJI is adding zoom to more and more drones. The Mini 3 Pro gets 2x at 4K video, 3x at 2.7K video, and 4x when recording 1080p. DJI Mini 3 Pro features and performance. The early Mini drones from DJI lacked some of the fun features that Mavic owners have come to enjoy. The original Mavic Mini still does not have the full suite of master shots, for example. The Mini 3 Pro comes better equipped with focus track, quick shots, master shots, and hyperlapse capture. Most of these features are thanks to the 3-direction obstacle avoidance sensors. APAS 4.0 is only possible with this collection of sensors as well. The larger propellers on the Mini 3 Pro promise more speed and power from the drone. DJI RC Remote Control. In addition to the new drone, DJI is announcing the DJI RC controller. This multifunction controller is equipped with all the buttons you need to fly a Mavic drone, plus a 5.5-inch display. The display offers up to 700 nits of illumination, which is good for those sunny days. The RC Pro is exclusive to the Mini 3 Pro for now, but there's no reason it couldn't be updated to operate other OcuSync 3.0 drones in the future. The remote is an Android-powered system that comes with DJI Fly pre-installed.